Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your May love and work forecast for Scorpios. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you know a Scorpio, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe. Magic Wins Tarot, subscribe, like, and share. Friends, join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, make do subscribe because you get a chance to win a free reading. One person is selected every month. This is our way to give back to you, and I hope you are doing well, Scorpios. How are you doing? And if you want to watch the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings, they are on our other channel, Magic Wins Tarot Hindi Urdu. So let us see how the theme, what is the theme of the, ooh, interesting. Some cards, it's a crazy energy, really. Cards are really jumping out. Scorpios, the Fool. So a new energy, a new start. A leap of faith is coming for you, Scorpios. The theme of the month of for Scorpios. Oh, so definitely Queen of Wands, the King of Pentacles, and Seven of Cups. So let's begin, friends. Let's begin. So I do feel, Scorpios, you have some choice coming for you, a new start. I also feel in the month of May, you are focusing more on your future, wanting to take a leap of faith. You are definitely focused on making some important changes in your life. A new start is happening, a new dawn is coming for you. Seven of Cups, but I feel like you are still confused. There might be some confusions this month for you. It is like, everything is going well, but you are still a little confused whether to take things forward, or where your future is going, how it will be. I do feel that yes, you will be safe. Your future is moving towards the right direction. You are going in the right direction, but you may have certain doubts this month. Like, what is some choices to make, some important decisions to make. But still, I do feel a new dawn, a new start is coming for you. The King of Pentacles, yes, I feel you will feel more confident, more strong, more bold, Scorpios. Again, I also feel that this month, in the month of May, your focus is on finding stability. You want stability. You just don't want a new start. You also want a stable start. It's like you want this power. You're power hungry. Scorpios, yes. I do feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you this month, and an Aries, Leo, Sag person is also important. For some of you, there might also be some choices in love coming for you, or you might have to choose between work or following your passion. So there are choices, there are lots of choices. Taking a leap of faith, following your heart, following your passions. I do see some of you relocating or wanting to relocate. You are like, I want to go somewhere else. You're definitely dreaming of a holiday, planning a holiday, or relocating, shifting, moving to another city or country in the future. That's a lot of planning is going on in your mind. So this is quite a good month for you. Let's see your love life, Scorpios. I also feel you will feel very passionate, friends, in this month. Very passionate. You are like, I'm going to take it. If you know it is like, if something is not coming towards you, you will move towards it, very bold and very passionate. Wow, it came out in reverse, which is interesting because this is your own energy, Scorpios. It's coming out in reverse. Wonderful. The month of May for Scorpios. All right. The month of May, their love life for Scorpios. Okay. So you're definitely dealing with so friends, you're definitely dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or someone very bold, someone very outgoing, someone very passionate and a little dominating. You're dealing with that person in the month of May. I feel like, someone who has been quiet since a very long time, who was keeping you waiting, who was in no contact, that person is going to make a move towards you. Scorpio, so like it can be a past lover, an ex husband, wife, or someone who was just not talking to you, not messaging you, keeping you on scene, or not replying you back. Communications are going to open in the first week of May, so you will hear from your person, or if you are in no contact, they are definitely going to call you, message you. Also, I do see that someone might make a move towards you, like someone might propose you in the first week of May, or someone might start, a new person might start talking to you, a new friendship, a new connection, or like this Aries, Leo, Sag person, they it could be a friend, it could be someone you are working, colleagues or something. They will start talking to you because I feel like they kind of like you. So there is two energies: somebody from the past who was not in contact, coming back, trying to reach out to you. Secondly, there is this person who's already there in your life and they want to talk to you and share something with you. So communications are very important in the first week of May. In the second week of May, I feel you are not feeling so well. You might be feeling a little sad or upset or emotional, maybe because of the world situations, or maybe because someone has put you in a third party or someone hurted you in the past. So you might rethink about those things. The second week is like your focus is not on love. No, your focus is not at all on love. You are healing, you are trying to recover, you are trying to take some time for yourself, and your focus is mostly on work, on career, on your education, family, and also long term commitment. If somebody is there who put you in a third party, hurted you, you want commitment from them. No hanky panky, no bang bangs, no one nights, no quickies. You are into. You want commitment, friends, and you are very sure about it in the second week. But if someone is not giving you commitment, you will feel sad about it. You will feel sad. So this is an emotional week. The second week. The third week, let's see that. Wow, the third week you will definitely feel more positive and you will feel more in charge of your emotions. You will feel like, okay, life is not so bad, love is not so bad either. And yes, someone wants to definitely work on a connection, build a partnership, build a marriage, build a cooperate with you, talk with you. And I do feel someone is stalking your social media, whether you know that or not. They are spying you, and I do feel that this person and you could be a very different people. Like you both are opposites. Like you both are opposites in some way. So there is this energy. So there is this energy of doing the right things, saying the right things, and having a higher purpose. Even though you guys are opposites in some way, Scorpios, there is this higher purpose, destiny, which is connecting you both. I also feel talks about religion, culture, spirituality, twin flames, what is in the future, talks about future will happen in the third week. Also, family is very important. So you may want somebody to marry or commit, but they are like, nah, my family is, family might act as a third party. But I do feel this is more about somebody and you are different, opposites, but at the same time, you want to build a future and a positive, happy ending with, positivity, positive happiness in the future with them. You're going to do that in the third week. In the fourth and final week of May, I do feel that you will be celebrating a birthday or you will be celebrating something in the fourth week. There is a lot of love, there is a lot of chemistry, and if you are allowed, you might be going out on a date or on a party or with the friends or with family. There is happiness, there is love, and I also feel that someone will really spoil you because your person is like, see, I finally got hold of you and let me spoil you now. So there is this charisma, there is this energy of passion, Scorpios, for you. And I do see that someone who was trying to play hard to get, this person is definitely going to spoil you, give you gifts, give you compliments, and you are like, finally they are coming for me. So you are happy, you are happy. And I do feel this relationship may go through some ups and downs because you guys are opposites and your person is a little bit arrogant, a little bit dominating. But this is a strong connection. If this is a marriage, this is definitely a strong marriage and it can last the test of times. And if this is a new connection, you can count on it, friends. This is a strong connection. The attraction is mutual for both of you. So this is a good month. This is definitely a month of, future plannings, planning for the future, taking a leap of faith in your love life. Let's see what is the advice for your love, and then we're gonna look at your career. Ooh, truth. Positive movement forward. The base chakra, yeah, self, the ego. Wow, new beginnings. So look at that. The again, it's the same card. The new beginnings, the fool. This is beautiful, friends. I do feel, this month your focus is definitely on starting something fresh, a new relationship, or starting a new phase in your marriage or in your relationships. You want something new, a new excitement, new love, or even new passions, whatever. Even in an old connection, there will be a new passion. I also feel that for some of you, this is definitely a time of, positive change coming your way. This month, you have to keep communications open, which is very, very important for you, friends, because your person is slightly different from you, and also because there is ego issues. There is like they are a bit egoistic, you are a little proud, so that can come in between your communication. So you have to keep your communications open and your ego aside. That is very important, Scorpios. Especially if you are missing somebody, you should reach out to them. And if if they are hurting you, it's you can be polite, and don't let your ego spoil your relationships. And truth, yes, number 20, I do feel that there is a lot of passion, there is a lot of attraction, there is opposites attract, and yet there is a lot of potential in this connection to build upon the future. You guys can last together for years, so work on that. You will have to work on it. Let's see your career. Rest and rejuvenate for Scorpios, their career, movement and choices. Shadow, the moon, and discontent and boredom, and patience and planning. My God, there's a lot of patient energy for your work. Okay, so I do feel like there are choices coming, friends, in your work and career. Maybe you are not happy what you are doing, or maybe things are closed, or maybe things are not going as you want in your career or money situation. So definitely you will be planning to make some positive changes in the coming months, but I don't see this is the month of change. No, this is the month you will plan things, what you want, where you want to go. And the next, I feel June is the month when you will actually be able to make a change, change a job, change a city, change a country. Maybe for some of you it is July, June, July. But this month is about planning and being patient. I know it will be tough for you to be patient, Scorpios, but you have to be. Also, some of you are really bored. Yes, some of you are really bored. You are like, what is going on? You feel like your dreams are out of reach right now. You may also want to travel, like maybe you are a tourist or working in the tourist industry, hotels, management. Maybe some of you are students who want to study abroad, but you can't. So there is this boredom. You are like, oh, this is so boring, this is a dull month. You may feel it's not like a boring month, but you may feel discontent. You may feel like, life is same, we need change. But this is not the month to change, friends. This is the month to plan your changes and act on them later. Rest and rejuvenate. Yes, I do feel this is a month you must rest. You must think carefully what you want, what plan, think, prepare. And I do feel because very soon you will be having movement, choices, and decisions. The right choices will be coming towards you. You will have to make the decisions soon. So listen. Listen to your intuition and listen to your heart. And this is a time to think thoroughly things. And shadow number 18, yeah, I do feel like you may feel a little, things may not be so bad in your work and career, but you may feel anxious. You may feel like, oh, I want the passion, I want to go and grab my life, I want more success, I should be a millionaire, why am I not that? So there is this angst, the angry young man, the angry young woman you are. So Plan, friends, plan. Don't give up. You're gonna achieve it. It's going to happen. It's not the end of the world. You are going to achieve your dreams. Scorpios, what will happen? Oh my god, lots of cards wanna come out. Okay, Scorpios. Okay, let's take them all. Tulip, great passion. Yeah, you are very passionate. You are very ambitious. That's the thing. Scorpios, you want to change. You want to grab your life and make some changes. Deep friendships with someone of the same sex. Yes, friendships and celebrations are going to happen for you, connecting with friends. A victory is coming for you. Well, family wishes will come true. Some of you might get pregnant. Some of you might have inheritances coming, or some good news related to family healing in with family dealings or relationships with a man. Affairs with your family. Your family will take your time this month, friends. Family is important for everybody, I guess, this month. Keep your life in balance. Yeah, I told you, this is not the month of action. This is the month of planning. Target a goal-oriented person. Yes, you're very much goal-oriented. Gavel involvement with the law. I feel like some of you want to travel. You want your passports, or you are planning for some travel, some visas, and something like that. That's important for you. Slowly but surely, you're getting ahead. Yeah, I know it's tough to be patient, friends. We have all been so patient, but it's a testing time for all of us. But remember, we are all together in it. So that's a. Have you ever thought about this thing, friends? All of us together going through the same things. Have you ever thought about that? It's never been before like this, and it's not been easy, but at least we are all together. Financial pinch, yeah, you definitely want to improve your finances. Successful outcomes to your problems, so you will be successful. Pig, be aware of greed. I also feel like some of you are worried about what is next, like you want to buy a home, or you want to sell a property or a shop or something. So you are like, what is next? What is next for me? You have to buy a property, buy a shop, or you are letting go of a shop or letting go of a property. So you are like, what's next? Happiness, yes, happiness is coming for you, friends. Vacation, wow. So some of you definitely want to go on a vacation. February is important. Somebody born in February could be important. Tower, solid foundations with success. Spear, heartache over what you no longer have. Lily, spiritual love is coming for you. Scorpios, wonderful, happy May to you. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye bye for now.